On September 1, 1965, during the Indo-Pakistani War, Pakistan launched Operation Grand Slam, aiming to capture the Akhnur Bridge and disrupt Indian Army supplies. The Pakistani Army captured the Cham region to facilitate this objective. Major Bhaskar Roy, stationed in Cham, displayed exceptional bravery by single-handedly destroying 13 Pakistani tanks. His actions not only thwarted the Pakistani plans but also forced them to retreat from the battlefield. For his valor and courage, Major Bhaskar Roy was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. The Second World War began on September 1, 1939, when Germany invaded Poland. This conflict, which involved nearly all major world powers, lasted 6 years and resulted in millions of casualties and widespread devastation. Despite hopes for peace after the First World War, political instability, economic issues, and rising nationalism led to another major war. The Treaty of Versailles in 1919 had imposed heavy restrictions on Germany, causing widespread discontent. With Adolf Hitler's Nazi Party in power from 1933, Germany pursued aggressive nationalism and military expansion. Following the invasion of Poland, Britain and France declared war on Germany, leading to a global conflict as many other countries joined the fight. The Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) was established on September 1, 1956, which is now celebrated annually as LIC Foundation Day. LIC is the largest and the oldest life insurance company in India. After India's independence, the government sought to reform the insurance sector due to issues with fraud among private insurance companies. Consequently, in 1956, the government enacted the Life Insurance Act, leading to the nationalization of the insurance industry. This act merged 245 private insurance companies and provident societies into a single public sector entity, LIC. The primary goal of LIC is to provide widespread insurance coverage and financial security across India, ensuring protection against future uncertainties. Dushyant Kumar, born on September 1, 1933 in Bijnor district, Uttar Pradesh, was a prominent Hindi poet and ghazal writer known for his influential works in the literature. His full name was Dushyant Kumar Tyagi. Raised in a modest family, he received his early education locally before completing his graduation and post-graduation at Allahabad University. Kumar is celebrated as a leading poet of the new poetry movement in Hindi literature, distinguished by his social awareness and sharp critique of political and social injustices. His ghazals, renowned for their portrayal of common people's suffering and societal issues, remain highly regarded. दुष्यंत कुमार passed away on December 30, 1975.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 1, 1985, the wreckage of Titanic was discovered in the North Atlantic Ocean. The Titanic, a British passenger ship, sank after striking an iceberg on April 15, 1912, resulting in the loss of over 1,500 lives. Known as the Ship of Dreams, it was considered the largest and most luxurious ship of its time. The ship embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York on April 10, 1912, but sank after hitting an iceberg on the night of April 14, 1912. The sinking of the Titanic was one of the greatest maritime disasters of its era, and the search for its wreckage proved to be a significant challenge. After nearly 73 years, American marine explorer Robert Ballard's team finally located the wreckage. National Nutrition Week is observed annually from September 1 to 7, organized by the Government of India to highlight the importance of nutrition and promote the benefits of a balanced diet. Initiated in 1982, the week aims to reduce malnutrition, particularly among children and pregnant women, and to encourage healthy lifestyle choices. The activities and programs conducted during this week are designed to inspire people to adopt proper eating habits and improve overall health, contributing to reduction of malnutrition and fostering a healthier society.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.